Hey, welcome to my channel where I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. So I'm laughing. My coworkers tomorrow are not going to be very impressed with all the smells that are going to come from my office. I have some liver and onions and some mashed rutabaga, but I'm also going to take a salad. I just want to make sure I have enough. So I'll put that in my little lunch box. Got my tea going again, or with my hot water. I think it's boiling. I'm going to let it go just a little longer. The reason I'm taking a salad is the amount of calories in the liver and onions was not as much as it would be like if I would have taken steak or pork or something like that. And it's not fatty, so I'm a little bit worried about making sure I have that I stay full till the time I get home. So, and the reason why they're not going to be happy is I got liver and onions, and I'm going to have a salad with some raw onions. Them coworkers are coming to come over, and they're going to be like, "Ooh, Terry, what you been doing over here? It smells rough." And I'm just going to laugh and laugh and laugh. All right. So I got my tea. I put my fork in it there to hold it down so it can steep. Now, and I'm not getting too wild with my salad, but it's just that I'm going to have a salad and rutabaga tomorrow. And usually I just have one thing. But, like I said, I just want to make sure I got plenty. And the good thing is I don't have to eat it all either. The other day, I didn't eat all my salad. I took it with me, but I ended up bringing over half of it home, and then I had it for supper. So, that's the first time I think I'd ever done that. That is not my usual pattern to bring food home from lunch. Usually, I finish off what I take. Now, hold on, I'm going to grab a little something. Okay, we're going to take I don't usually add Parmesan cheese, but I want to add just a little bit tomorrow. So just a little sprinkle of the Parmesan cheese, just to make me feel like I got something special. And a little bit of the bacon pieces, just to give it a little extra something tomorrow. Just a little something. Okay, so now we got that. I'll put in some tomatoes. I've been forgetting to put tomatoes. So on the weekend, I showed y'all I put it in my breakfast, but I forgot to add it to my salad. Yes, tonight I just finished the salad, but I forgot to add some too. And I was thinking to myself, I should add some more salad or some tomatoes to my salad, but I did not remember. Tell you, I go through salad dressing so fast. But it's because I eat a salad every day. Yep, I guess I'm done with that one too. Oh, you know what I forgot? Hold up, let me go get my pickled veggies. You know, I've been doing these canned green beans for my dog, right? Well, I didn't realize this. Half a cup is 3 carbs. 3 total carbs. And 15 calories. I had no idea. A whole cup would have 30 calories and 6 carbs. Well, that's just not very much. So, anyway, something I'm going to think about whenever I buy some green beans. I'll be like, okay, a can for you, a can for me. A can for you, a can for me. But, anyway. Oh, and please don't get mad again. Y'all know I can't remember names. But, because one of y'all said, well, Terry, do you ever do the spaghetti squash? So, what I did was I looked up spaghetti squash on my chronometer app that I use, that I keep everything on. And spaghetti squash had less calories and less carbs. I think about 10 calories less, but it had like 17. I think it had like 4 or 5 less total carbs than Rutabaga. Now, I'm not saying I'm giving up my Rutabaga, nothing like that. Don't be. No, I'm not getting that wild. But, I don't know if this is all going to fit. But anyway, so, well, it's going to fit because it's got to fit. So this weekend, when I was thinking, since I'm making a beef stroganoff, that would be good on noodles. So on my way home from work tomorrow or Saturday morning, I'm going to run and pick up a spaghetti squash. And I'm going to try that this weekend. All right, then I got my breakfast casserole and my yogurt. So I'll put that in there. And that's going to go in the refrigerator. And I'll see you at the breakfast time. Good morning. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Whoop, whoop. So we got this much left of our coffee. And it's still the protein coffee. And breakfast casserole and vanilla yogurt. Let's go on. I got a red shirt on. Let's go on and mix it up and make it fun. Hold on. Let's annoy my coworkers and get this energy Neo in here. I'm recording it. Hang on, sis. Did you hear that sigh she just gave? She's like, Terry, I don't want your shenanigans today. All right, so we're putting just a little squirt of this Mio, and then I'm gonna mix it up, and that's what I'm gonna have for my breakfast: my yogurt and my egg casserole. Okay, bye. Listen, it's 11:30 and I am on my deathbed. I'm so hungry. So, had a meeting and it just got out and I'm starving. I got my liver and onions in the microwave. So, I got to eat. Yep, that's a salad. So, as soon as the microwave beeps, I'll go get the liver and onions. You know what meal prep day Terry did? I think, if I saw it right, meal prep day Terry chopped up the liver. How sweet is that? I'm telling you, be nice to yourself. On meal prep day, do the things that your future self is going to appreciate. All right, let me go get it. It's about to beep. Hang on. Still nobody wants to bite my liver and onions. I work with some weird people. But here they are. Anyway, yeah, so it looks like meal prep day Terry cut them up into bite-sized pieces. I'm telling you, meal prep day Terry is so nice. Okay, so that's my lunch today. Bye. Well, we made it to Friday. Happy Friday. We're having rough storms here, supposedly. I mean, we had some rain earlier, and I know they're calling for it. So I am a pessimist when it comes to weather prediction. Always have been. Whenever they say, oh, you're going to get an ice storm, I'm like, we'll probably get a little bit of sleet, and that's that. Or when they say, oh, you're going to have tornadoes and whatnot, I'm like, whatever. I'll drug my dog in the hopes, or in case I'm wrong, but I am very much a pessimist when it comes to the weather prediction stuff. So anyway, yeah, we're supposed to get bad weather, and yeah. But either way, my van is parked in the garage, and it's or not my van, Tawanda. She's parked in the garage, and the garage door's down. The day I brought home old Bessie was a hailstorm. So I'm like, yeah, I don't really want to deal with that again. But anyway, so we'll see what the weather is. We got about a minute and a half left. We're doing something simple tonight. It's just going to be some chili, a little bit of light sour cream, and I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on it. So we're going to have a simple supper tonight. All right, so we got my chili heated up. And I've got just a little bit of pork rinds, well, crushed pork rinds, turned into pork panko. Well, not quite as fine as pork panko, but just a little bit I'm going to put in there. And I'm going to put in a little bit of sour cream. I know that's maybe about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to put in a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Not a whole lot. I'm not trying to create a bunch of calories. I just don't necessarily want anything to go with it right now. I don't want a side. So since I don't, I'm just kind of using these things like the pork rinds and the cheese as extra things. So now I gotta get it all stirred in. I gotta drug my dog. They say about 6 o'clock it's supposed to start. It's about a little after 4:30 right now. And okay. Get a bite of all of it. Okay. Let's see. Don't forget, tomorrow we're going to do some kind of baked beans with jicama. Okay. No, that's next week. Sorry. Tomorrow is, tomorrow is chicken fried rice chicken. And I'll stop and pick up some peas and carrots from the grocery store. Okay, bye.